So as we look underneath now, you can see that we got 2 straps per tank. And we added this nice heavy duty bar, which raised that up that was sagging down to here. All the way across, tied them in. The same on the back freshwater tank. Raised them up a little bit, but it took care of where it was rubbing. Those were actually resting on the frame there where they had cut it out. You can see where they actually had notched it out. The same way with the rear water tank. So now those are nice and supported and not rubbing on anything. And with the metal straps going across the wood there, it's not going to bow it down. And for the black and the gray water, we added L-iron up in there, put some studs in, ran straps all the way around for both of them. So that way they have some room to flex, but not enough room to fall out. There you can see that one. Got it all painted up. So where this one was cut here, they just cut the frame. We added a brace that goes up and around. Makes it a lot stronger. Ties in from the side all the way open over to that one. Bolted in so that way if you ever need to remove it, much better.